Making money online is very cool, as you will be sitting in the comfort of your house or in your room and you'll be realizing money. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys how I made more than 10,000 naira just for installing an app. But before that, if you are just joining my YouTube channel, you are highly welcome. My name is Ateri Habibullah. In this channel, I share helpful tips on how to make money online, and likewise, if you are a business owner, I share helpful videos on how to scale up your business so that you are going to realize more profits from it. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I made more than 10,000 naira for downloading an app. There was a day, if I could remember vividly, I was stranded on that day and I was looking for money to buy a charger for my phone and likewise on my power bank. So on that fateful day, I came across this app and I'm going to be showing you guys how I made more than 10,000 naira for that particular app in this video. I want you to watch this video to the end and do not miss any part from it. And if you enjoy this video and you gain any value from it, please don't forget to go to the comment section and comment something about this video. Let me bail you from the state of confusion. I believe you might have been wondering that which kind of app am I talking about that you've never come across on Google Play Store. Keep calm. Is this app, this famous app that we all know, it is called PalmPay. We all know PalmPay is a mobile app, mobile bank app that has bailed many Nigerians, including I, from this cashless policy. The likes, and we have tons of mobile bank app outside there like Kuda, Opay, and so on like that. If you don't pay close attention to it, you will never get how I realized more than 10,000 naira just for using this particular app. The story behind this wasn't out of the wheel, but because of the frustration of how I was stranded during that day, there was no more sales for my digital products and I needed to get myself charger. So I decided to open the refer and earn of this app. I tried it and it was promising, but when I check back right now, I realized that the program, they have changed the program. But trust me, this is business. Their profit lies on the number of users that they are having. In due time, I am very sure that they are going to continue this evaluating program as well. Actually, they are still doing it right now, but the reward is not that promising, of which I too cannot do it right now. But I don't know for you. So you press the refer and let me show you how the total amount of money I've made from this. Can you see now? It's now 300 naira. So during that time when I realized more than 10,000 naira, it was 700 naira. Can you see? It has dropped drastically. So but just keep this video and keep checking this particular refer and earn program. They are going to start it again. I'm very sure of that, because they've only started the refer program when the referring programs when I was in the schools, and it was like 100 naira, 200 naira during that time before I stormed into this and I realized it was 700 naira. But now it has dropped into 300 naira. Can you see? It's not that promising. So let me show you how. Okay, how much I've earned from this program. This is my history. Withdrawal, can you see it now? So this 700 naira, 700. Can you see it now? So if you calculate, this one failed. This is one or two reasons of which I was not aware of that, but now I can prevent you from having this kind of issue. If you really want to do this, is 500. The last one I did. So with this, I was able to buy myself new chargers, different chargers, big brand, due to the fact that I came across this, and all this was done using my smartphone. It was very easy. These tasks are very easy to do, as I will put you guys to right now. Can you see now? Palmpay will be giving you um unique link at the end of every 7 days. So which means that if you want to refer anyone with this link, you must finish this referring program before it expires, because this is going to expire after 7 days. Counting now 6 days, 20 hours, 29 minutes, and 44 something remaining. So until, which means that I have the privilege or the chance of referring people with this link and complete their registration before before the arrival of this of this of this before it lapses. If I fail to do so, they are going to be cancelled for my refer, and I'm not going to get any bonus. So what I'm going to do is that just press this invite new friend. So you might be wondering that why can't I just cash out these 220 naira? You can never withdraw it. You can never withdraw it until it reaches what, 300 naira. You'll be given money that will exceed 300 naira the moment you finish your first referral. So I've copied the link now. I'll just share it to anyone I like. So probably let me open my WhatsApp. So I've copied the link and I've pasted it here. As you can see, this is the link I've copied already, and I've used all this link. So this is a new one. So just press on the link, you click on it. It's going to redirect you into your browser. So it depends on your preferred browser, the one that you've saved. Okay, mine is Chrome, and it's going to redirect me into Chrome. Okay, let me press it again. Okay, so this is now. So just enter the phone number of that particular person that you want to refer. Ensure that that person has not registered on Play Store before, Palmpay before, and he has not used his device, his phone, to register Palmpay. Just note that 2 key points. Ensure that he's not an assisted user on Palmpay, and he has never used his phone to register the accounts with this Palmpay. So just enter the number of the person that you want to refer, then you press this get sign up bonus. So with that, it's going to pop up the message, and you can now proceed into Google Play Store and download the app. And if you don't want to do that, you can just send it to your friends or your family that you want to refer. Having done that, you are going to open. Okay, having done that, you are going to enter your mobile number, the same number that you've entered in that link that you've already clicked. After that, it's going to take you. It's going to send you. You're going to load. It's going to load. The moment it's finished loading, then they're going to send you the OTP. You enter the OTP, then you are going to be redirected into registration page. So you enter your first name and your last name. It is very important. The two are very important due to the fact that Palmpay, we want to verify your account, and we like to link your existing account, your existing mobile or your existing bank account with your Palmpay. Palmpay, we really want to do that so that we prevent ghost bank. It's bank, and they are bounded with 1 or 2 policies. Okay, after that, you're going to request for the invitation link. Don't write anything, they just keep it. Then you accept the terms and conditions, then you finish the registration. The moment you do that, now proceeds to the next stage. Actually, I will have shown you how to do that right now, but I've already registered the account with them, so I cannot repeat the registration. But you're going to get it user friendly. When it brings what can also prevent you from getting your referral bonus here is that entering the referral code. Don't enter anything there, and ensure that your friend or your family that you are inviting use his or her real or legal name to register. Okay, so having done with the registration, your friend will be given 100 naira instantly. He'll be given 100 naira instantly, and that 100 naira will expire in the next 24 hours, 20 hours rather. What you have to do at that moment is that you use that time to buy, use that money given. You can only use it to buy airtime. You use it to buy airtime immediately. You use to buy airtime with the same number you used to register. So having done that, you use it, and you're going to see the link that use the 100 naira to buy airtime. Right now you click on it, then you select that 100 naira, then the money is going to reflect almost immediately. So after that, you referred your friend, you come into this refer and end. Can you see it now? You come to refer and end, and you come to this 220 naira that is here is going to change. Come to this history. Okay, withdraw. So it's going to display something like this, processing, something like processing here. So you now click on that processing. It will ask you to, no, not like that. So that money will not up to 300 naira. Yes, that money will not up to 300 naira. What you have to do is that you now collect the phone of your friend. You collect it. You now click here on that phone. You click here on that phone. This top, click on it. These authentication. You now come to this authentication. Bank account verified. I've already verified my bank account, so that's why it displays something like this. Bank account verified. You click on verification. So you now use this bank account. You press this bank account. You select the bank that person is using. You select it, followed by the account number of that person. That person must also have bank. These are the three conditions. It must also have bank already, probably GT Bank or any other commercial bank. So you now link it, and the name must correspond with the one he or she has provided when he was doing the registration. So it must correspond with the one that he is using in the bank. So when the name tally and it tallies with the bank, the name provided tallies with the names on the account given, the account is going to be verified almost immediately. Okay, having done that, having verified the account, you can now come in here into this refer and end. You can come to this refer and end. Okay, then you now press withdraw. This invites new users will change to withdraw now, because you've reached one point. You reach the first stage by which you are qualified for withdrawal. You can just press the withdraw. Just withdraw your money immediately. Don't let it reach 1,000 naira before you withdraw it. So you can just press withdraw and withdraw your money immediately. It will now process. You now come into this. You press this history on top like this. You press history. This reward. Now press this withdraw. So at the top, it's going to display your most or your recent giver, your most or your recent person that you referred. So you're going to click it will do like something like processing. So you click it, then you will realize that like processing now. Processing resolve, like the one that it's displayed at the beneath of this. You click on this resolve. Okay, so this authentication rate, the moment you verified the number, the account, the moment you verified the name of the person that you refer, the moment you submitted his account number, his other commercial bank account, probably GT Bank, commercial bank, GT Bank, FCMB, First Bank, or whatsoever bank is using. After you've done that, this authentication rate will increase to 100%. It will increase to 100%. Or the minute it's above 20, the minute it's above 20, you are qualified for withdrawal. So when you realize that it has exceeded or it has reached 20%, you can just press withdraw. that withdrawal is now display processing. It will display processing. So just check back in the next few hours. Your money is going to be credited into your PalmPay account, and if it's not credited after 2 hours, probably due to one or two reasons, so you can just check back in the following day. You're going to see your money. And to avoid this refer and earn 1,000 naira fail, to avoid it, what I did was that I referred 2%. The first one did not finish the registration. He was unable to verify his account before I refer another person. That's why now the money now exceed, it reached 1,000 naira rather, and I press withdraw more than 1,000 naira. So now I press withdraw. Then it's just display failed. So the reason is that when you refer someone and you are unable to authenticate that particular person, probably you are unable to verify the name of that particular person, do not refer any other person with that link until it expired. Do not refer any other person with that link, same link, until, because that money, the initial money given, like something like this now, this 220 naira, let's say I refer someone now, that person has let's say he has used the airtime given to buy the airtime, so this 220 will move a little bit, probably to 280, so it do not hit 300. So that person has to verify his name before my money will move to 300, so that I will be able to refer it. So if you refer someone like that and he or she is unable to verify the name, do not refer another person until that link is expired. You now copy it, you refer the next person that you want to refer. If you do that, you are not going to place withdrawal. It's just display fail. So that's that about that. If you learn something or you gain value from this video, let me know in the comment section, and don't forget to like, share and comment. Thank you.